So we're going to find the equation of the line given two different points. In order to find the equation of a line, the very first thing you always need is the slope of the line, which is your change in y over the change in x. So pick a point. I'm going to do the y value here minus the y value here over the x value of the first point minus the x value of the second point. And what I get here is I get -2 over 2 plus a negative, that becomes 4. I get a -1/2. This is my slope. Now, I didn't specify in the equation of the line what form I want that in, so I have a few choices to make. I have y equals mx plus b. That is the most commonly used form. That is what we call slope-intercept form. There is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. That is slope, point slope form, where you just need the point and the slope, and we're actually prepared to do that right away. A lot of students forget to use that as an easy way to write the equation of the line. The last form of a line is standard form ax plus by equal to c. This standard form is when you get your x and y on the same side. A, b, and c need to be integers. A lot of people will also teach that a cannot be negative. I think it's a debatable rule, but again, a may not be negative. So let's start off with the most common. Let's go y equals mx plus b for this video. So if I have y equals mx plus b, let's plug in what we know and solve for what we don't know. So I have an x and a y. I actually have two different x's and y's I could use. I have a slope. So I'm going to use this point because there's no negatives. I'm going to plug it in. 3 equals y. M is -1/2. X is 2 plus b. B is the y-intercept. That is where this line will cross the x-axis, or the y-axis, sorry. And I can cancel that easily. So I'm left with 3 equals -1 plus b. Add over the 1, and I get 4 equal to b. So my equation of the line is y equals m -1/2 x plus 4. That is slope-intercept form. If I wanted to quickly transition into a point slope form, I very easily could do that with y minus 3 equals -1/2, x minus 2, or I could use the other point, y minus 5 equals -1/2, x plus 2, because of the negative it switches signs. And lastly, if I want to go into standard form, I'll work up here for standard form. The rule is get x and y on the same side, and then get rid of all fractions. So in this case, I'm just going to add 1/2 x over. So 1/2 x plus y equals 4. And now I have a fraction of 2. That would be the least common denominator. So I can multiply everything by 2. I get x plus 2y equals 8. That would be standard form. I hope that helps. Please let me know any questions you may have.